Hello, come in. We have got the Fat Boy Toshiba amp. And this guy's very lucky. He blowed out his combiner resistors. I had that capacitor running here. Oh, here it is. Let me grab it. He blowed out his combiner resistors. And he got real lucky. But I ain't going to show you. I'm just going to tell you. He had a blow capacitor. Put new combiner resistors in there. And guess what? All the pills are still good. Got lucky, didn't have to buy none of them things. Alright, we're going to start out the video. We'll look at radio drive. Input tune. Worldwide. Output tune, radio driven. Worldwide. And nothing. We're going to just turn on, take a start. I'm not going to drive it real hard. We're not going to go like this fixed. I mean, that's all that matters. Output tune. Worldwide, over half a watt. 1000 watt slug, average power. Worldwide. You see what it's doing? 10,000 watt slug, peak. Worldwide, go down to 12 cut now, 12 cut. I'm on 16, it's 12 cut. Worldwide, get on down. So it does about 2200. Right there on the 10,000 watt scale, just for kicks. If I can get the slug out. Change slugs one-handed here. Nah. It's hard to do everything one-handed. I'm gonna try and get my slug case open. Let's put the 2500 in there. I forgot it was 10 pill. I don't know why I was thinking it was 16. I mean 12 pill. 2500 watt. PP. I was thinking it was 16. Worldwide, get on down. Worldwide, get on down. As you can see, it's still doing about the same. Worldwide, get on down. Worldwide, working a little 12 pill, Japanese soldier, Toshiba, little 12 pill, I'm gonna take this start driving there. Fat Boy, worldwide, getting on down. Shit all fixed, ready to go. Like I said, you're lucky. Hope you enjoyed the video. Your friend 10, 018 Boost. Catch you later.